तो CMG क्रिप्टो मनी गुरु में आपका स्वागत है. वेलकम फ्रेंड्स. सो वंस अगेन आई एम हेयर विद यू इन द crypto market news junction, and right now we are facing a red zone in the crypto market, and crypto market is right now down. We are at 2.24 trillion. Crypto market is right now, total market cap is right now 2.6% down. So we will today talk about a coin, a crypto, an asset which may give you return, 10x return in future. What is that? How that is good coin, and what will that coin do for you? Everything. Here Bitcoin price is around, it is struggling to hold itself near about 48,000 USD. Ethereum is 3770 right now, and I am talking about a coin which may give you a result like Polychain, Matic, and Cardano. Yes, these are the best one performing crypto assets in this bull run right now. But if you miss these black horses, then I have another horse for you which will give you better result. It's a Origin Protocol. Yes, it's Origin Protocol. What is it? It's a e-commerce based marketplace. E-commerce, as you know, it's growing every day, day by day. It's growing all over the world. And what you can do, you can launch your own, create your own free online storage minutes and harness the power of decentralized platform. Yes, it is a blockchain based decentralized shopping store. You can launch your shopping store like Shopify, like WordPress, and sell your stuff. So, and it is integrated with other big like PayPal or other big payment processing assets. So how, what is the reason? It is at 1.146. Yes, 141. Let me check first. Yes, yes, this is 100 and around 40, and Origin Protocol is trading at right now at $1.31. It is a Ethereum based platform. You can see the tags, e-commerce, platform, payments, everything here. So what is the numbers? Here you can see this. It is already listed in Coinbase Pro, then Binance for liquidity, then other major crypto assets. These here it is already listed. You can see the green assets. And what is the community behind it? Total watch list. These number of people are following this right now. Rank, this is name, this is, and ticker, this is, price, it is currently at $1.31, and you can see. So if you want to make good money, and you can see that right now it is in decreasing mode, but once people will adopt this and more liquidity will come and people will shift to altcoin, then you will definitely see a great jump in this crypto assets, which is really backed by a good business theme, good business services, because all over the world right now it's COVID time and people sitting in their home, many are doing shopping online, and many are planning to launch their own shopping store. So that's why it is a good investment for you, because as people all over the world will start using internet, start coming to shop online, more and more store will be launched in this system. decentralized shopping store, then automatically its price will increase. And a very good team which is behind this. Our Origin has a world-class team. Our team is led Serial Enterprises, a founder of PayPal, early employee at YouTube, and engineering manager at uh, Google and Dropbox. Yes, this is the experienced team which is which is backing this, which is behind promoting this Origin protocol. So invest to make good money, because more and more watch lists, and already you can see that market. Let's see their market. It is totally listed in this number of marketplaces. You can see Binance, CoinPro, Binance, Huobi, every major marketplace exchange have listed this coin. And now we check its total community. You can see Facebook. It's Facebook. Yes. Now let's check their Twitter account. So you can see this, how many thousands followers they have. And now check their face. Yes, you can see already many thousand people following this Origin protocol. So definitely it's a good investment, as more and more people will launch their store on this platform, and more people will come to shop on their shopping stores. Automatically it will increase. Definitely it's a good blockchain based business. Yes, so go for it and invest money to make your money 10x. But before investing, do your own research, because it's your money, your risk. So before investing, please do your own research. And if you like the channel, if you like the video, please share it with your friends on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram. And if you like the video, please make a comment. If you want to know more anything about this, then please also make a comment and subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, so every time whenever I post a new video about any new news about new crypto, so you get the instant notification. Okay, bye bye.